paradise and put up a parking lot with a pink hotel, a boutique, and a swinging hot spot. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They paved paradise and put up a parking lot. They took all the trees and put them in a tree museum, and they charged the people $1.50 to see them. No, 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 don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? You paved paradise and put up a parking lot.
It's a happy new year, I'm making guacamole. You couldn't even pick up the fucking phone and call me. I don't like my t-shirt, I don't like my blue jeans, I don't like my attitude, it's gonna be a party. Whoa, let's party. It's a happy new year, last year was so stupid. Most of us were drunk and even more of us were puking. Though I heard a rumor, something about bad shrimp. Don't know how I made it up the stairs to your apartment. Whoa, I remember it. Whoa, climbing up to bed. Whoa, I remember it, I remember it. And that's not all that I'm forgetting. It's a new year, the last one's ending. Don't know how I ever made it out. off, but I still hang around. I still hang around. I still hang around. I still hang around. It's a happy new year, I'm eating guacamole. You kissed me at midnight cause you thought that I looked lonely. I don't like my outfit, I guess it's not important, cause I like your 4-track and the things you record on it. It's the time of year now to keep your close friends closest. We'll be friends forever and I don't care if you know it. It's a happy new year, unlike all the rest. Feels like I am changing and I know it's for the best. Whoa, I remember that. Whoa, climbing up to bed. Whoa, I remember that. I remember that. That's not all that I'm pretending. It's a new year, the last one's ending, and all the guacamole I made brown. Here's to always ever-changing circumstances we're arranging, throwing all our cautions to the ground. They only weigh you down. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. But hey, did you know you can check the time? Your call reaches the other line. Hey, did you know that I know you lied? So board it up and don't even try. Last year is ending just in time. I got out of line. I got out of line. I got out of line. It's a happy new year, here I am again, riding in my car, and this time I can't pretend that we are friends. We're not friends, friends don't do the things we did, and the ones you've done since then makes me think we've never been. When is this night gonna end? Are you lying in her bed? All these questions in my head. Hey, where the whiskey at again? You were discombobulated when you show up at my door, leaving glitter on my floor. But I don't like you anymore, no, I don't like you anymore.